Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and learning everything you need to start a career in tech. Completely free. Not a trial. Not limited access. Not another free course that ends halfway through and pushes you to buy the real program. I'm talking about a brand new platform from Google itself, designed to teach anyone, literally anyone, real job-ready digital skills. And yes, it's free. Today, I'm going to walk you through what this new platform really is, why Google built it, what you can learn, and most importantly, whether it's actually worth your time. Because whenever Google makes a major educational move, the entire industry pays attention. And this time, they've released something that could reshape how millions of people learn technology. Let's dive in. To understand how big this announcement is, we need to step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past decade, digital skills have become essential in nearly every field, not just software engineering. From marketing to design, from data analysis to small business operations, nearly every role now requires some level of technical literacy. Google has been watching this shift closely. They've invested in certification programs, partnered with thousands of schools, and launched initiatives to help people get tech jobs without traditional degrees. But there was a problem with the existing landscape. Most online learning platforms fall into one of these categories: paid courses that are too expensive for many learners, free courses that lack depth or aren't updated, overwhelming platforms with too much content and no clear learning path, specialized content that assumes you already know the basics. Google identified a huge gap. There wasn't a place where complete beginners could learn foundational technology skills from scratch, at scale, with consistent quality, and without paying a cent. So they built one. This new learning platform is Google's answer to the growing demand for accessible tech education. It removes all the friction, no confusing menus, no locked content, no upsell. Just clear, structured learning paths created by experts. And now it's available for everyone. When you open the platform for the first time, the experience immediately feels different. Google didn't try to overwhelm new users with complicated dashboards or dozens of categories. Instead, they focused on three core pillars. 1. Simplicity, clean layouts, easy navigation, beginner-friendly explanations. 2. Structured learning paths, curated step-by-step programs instead of endless video playlists. 3. Foundational tech education, skills everyone should know, regardless of background or profession. What truly makes the platform stand out is its focus on fundamentals. Most people jump into coding or AI tutorials without understanding the basics. Google recognized that the world doesn't just need more programmers, it needs people who understand technology. Once you log in, you'll see that everything is neatly organized by skill areas. Whether you want to learn artificial intelligence, start programming, understand digital tools, or explore data concepts, it guides you step by step. And the biggest surprise, everything is available instantly. No paywalls, no locked lessons, no hidden fees. Let's break down what you can actually learn on this platform. 1. AI Fundamentals. This path is perfect for people who want to understand artificial intelligence without drowning in jargon. You'll learn how AI models work, what machine learning actually means, the difference between basic and advanced AI systems, real-world examples and case studies. Google even built interactive modules showing how AI behaves in simple simulations. This makes the learning experience engaging and easy to follow. 2. Programming and coding basics. Learning to code can be intimidating. Google takes a completely different approach. They start with logical thinking and problem solving before you ever write code. This method removes fear and builds confidence. Once you're ready, the platform introduces small exercises that help you gain momentum quickly. 3. Digital tools and essential skills. This category is one of the most practical. Google includes lessons on cloud tools, collaboration, basic data concepts, organization tools, communication technology. These aren't flashy topics, but they are the exact skills employers expect today. 4. Tech career awareness. Instead of telling you to just learn coding, Google explains the entire tech career landscape. You'll learn what different jobs involve, what skills they require, and how to begin preparing. This platform is more than a Google announcement. It signals a major shift in how tech education is delivered. The future economy depends on skill accessibility. If only a small group understands technology, innovation slows down. This platform removes 3 major barriers. 1. Cost. High-quality tech education is now free. 2. Complexity. Clean UI, simple modules, clear concepts. 3. Confidence. Beginner-friendly lessons reduce fear and overwhelm. For students, career switchers, and curious learners, this is a huge win. Google didn't just upload videos, they built a modular learning system that adapts to your pace. Lessons come in short, digestible segments. Each module includes interactive elements, small activities, practical examples, knowledge checks, optional deep dive materials. Google also integrates its ecosystem, search, classroom, workspace, making the experience even smoother. This gives them an advantage no other platform has: familiarity. Millions of people already use Google tools daily.
Now let's address the million-dollar question. Why would Google offer something this valuable for free? There are several strategic reasons. 1. Building a more skilled global workforce. Technology evolves rapidly. Google needs users and future employees who understand digital concepts. By educating millions, they ensure long-term growth in the tech ecosystem. 2. Encouraging adoption of Google tools. When learners become comfortable with Google's educational environment, they're more likely to use related products later. 3. Strengthening public trust. Providing free, high-quality education enhances Google's reputation globally. 4. Preparing users for advanced certifications. While this platform is free, Google also offers paid professional certificates. This platform helps beginners reach a skill level where those certifications become relevant. So yes, it's free, but it's also a smart strategic move. Perfect for absolute beginners, students exploring tech careers, adults switching industries, small business owners, professionals needing digital basics, anyone curious about AI and coding. Not ideal for advanced developers, people looking for deep coding boot camps, learners who already have strong tech fundamentals. This platform is intentionally beginner-friendly. If you're already deep into engineering or data science, consider this a refresher, not a replacement for specialized training. Let's explore a few scenarios. Case 1. A student preparing for the future. A high school or college student can use this platform to understand technology fundamentals before choosing a major. It helps them make informed decisions. Case 2. A professional switching careers. Someone from retail, hospitality, or logistics can begin building foundational digital skills, the first step toward higher-paying tech roles. Case 3. A business owner. Entrepreneurs can learn essential digital tools to manage their operations more efficiently. Case 4. A curious learner. Anyone fascinated by AI and technology can explore the basics without feeling overwhelmed. Google has mastered the art of making complex things feel simple. The platform loads quickly, lessons are short, and every module feels approachable. You're not thrown into technical jargon or complicated equations. Instead, the experience is steady, calm, and confidence-building. It's clear that Google's goal wasn't to impress experts, but to empower everyday users. This launch could push other companies to rethink how they approach online learning. If Google proves that free, high-quality foundational education can scale to millions, other tech giants may follow. We're entering a new phase of online learning where the value isn't in locking knowledge behind paywalls. It's in creating ecosystems where anyone can build relevant skills quickly. In the long run, platforms like this might become the standard entry point for tech literacy around the world. Yes, without hesitation. Whether you're curious about AI, want to understand programming, or simply want to improve your digital skills, Google's new learning platform offers a frictionless, high-quality starting point. It's free, accessible, easy to use, and backed by one of the biggest tech companies in the world. This isn't just another corporate project. It's part of a larger shift toward making technology education universal. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to start learning, this is it. Google has officially opened the door, and now it's up to you to walk through it.